Now, how to import on 1688. So after I log into my 1688 on the website, so let's hold on for it to load the page, right? So now I will be using a product as an example. So I just want to show you how you can order for a product on 1688. I click on close. So I'm going to choose a random product for an illustration of what I'm talking about, right? So let me choose this let me choose this smartwatch. So I'm going to click on it. So before making your import, don't forget to read the product description. You can also watch the product video. Watch the video, check pictures, right? So, and also check reviews of past buyers for you to ensure that you are buying a legit product. All right, it seems the network is poor, but let's continue anyways. So the next thing is to click on order now. There are two buttons here, as you can see here. The first one here is add to cart, and the second one here is order now. So if you want to add to cart, maybe you still want to choose other products, this is where you will click here. But if you want to pay now, you are ready to pay for that product, then we come here. So now let's proceed. I'm going to click on order now, which means I want to buy the product instantly and make payment, right? So this is where I choose quantity. I will have to choose quantity of the product I want to buy, right? So these steps are very easy and very straightforward, right? So I'm going to choose okay, assuming I want to buy 2, right? So I will just choose 2, the first type and the second type here. All right, so I will now click on order now. It seems the network is not good. We should have see the picture of the item we are clicking on. So I'll click on order now there. So now we wait for it to load. Okay, let's continue the process on the app. I've not logged in on this website. Well, let's continue on the app. All right, so it's still the same process on the Chrome version and also on the app version. So click on order now, don't forget. So let's wait. All right, so I'm going to choose quantity. Okay, you can see there are different colors and different fashion of this smartwatch. So let me choose this first one here. I will choose 1, and also another type. Okay, let me choose this the third one here. So I also choose 1. Okay, so making the total 50.60 yuan, as you can see here. 50.60 yuan, that's the total amount of the total price of the 2 wristwatch. Then I will click on pay now. So once you do that, it will take you to your Alipay. Yeah, so Alipay is the means of payment, but recently 1688 has added some features. Some features of payment whereby you can use another means of payment to make your purchase on 1688. Now, as you can see, you cannot pay with your MasterCard on 1688, right? So aside from the natural, the original means of payment, which is the Alipay, so you can now make payments through your MasterCard, right? So I don't have enough fund currently on my Alipay, so, and even if I have, I'm just using this as an example. I'm not interested in buying this product, right? So if I have enough fund, then I will click on this blue button here. So I will be required to input my payment password, and once I input my payment password, the order has been successful, right? That means the order has been successful, and within 24 to 48 hours, sometimes it doesn't even reach up to 24 hours, between 2 hours at times, your product will be delivered to your logistics company, right? So that is the end of the video. If you want more educative and exciting video like this, make sure you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on like button, and turn on the notification button. Thank you for watching. God bless you.